Kwang-Ge. This is the black belt pattern for cycle 1. And it starts in heaven hands position. There we go. Alright, so our first move is going to be a balancing move. The hands and the foot both come out, and then they come around slowly and they meet up at the same time. Now, this is a slow punch that we're going to do. This is an upset punch, so we slide that foot out and we move the hand forward in an upset punch. Then we're going to change sides, and the left hand is going to come out and it rotates into palm up position. Good. Now we're going to step over, we're going to step right in front of the right foot with this move while we chamber for our downward C block. Good. Now we're going to step back and do a double knife hand low. Good. Now we're going to step over the left foot and do a downward C block. Now we step back and do double knife hand low. Good. Now we're going to turn and we're going to do a regular double knife hand, but this one's not going to be in a full back stance. It's more of a short stance or close to a cat stance. And then we're going to do it on the other side. Now in this one, we're going to take the left foot and we're going to step out in front of the right foot, and we're going to make a turn and an upward pressing block. Okay, now we're on the other side. Now we're going to step forward and do an upward pressing block with the left hand. Now right here, we're going to do another balancing move, but this time the hands are going to come together with a hammer fist and a flat palm. There we go. Now this is like we're catching a kick and we're going to hammer fist the side of their foot. Alright, so now we're going to chamber up, keeping the hands where they are. We're going to chamber up and do a low side kick towards the knee, and chamber and a higher side kick above the belt. Then we're going to reach out and grab and do an inner knife hand strike. Good. Then downward hammer fist as we come back to a parallel stance. And we're going to keep our hands in that position, and we're going to do the side kicks on the right side this time. So it's low towards the knee, rechamber, and high towards the chest or the head. Reach out and grab them, inward knife hand strike, and then as we slide together, a downward hammer fist. Good. All right, now we're going to go left leg forward and do a double pressing block. There's one, then the other side, there's two. Now right here, we're going back the other direction, so that right foot's going to come up. We're going to stomp into a horse stance and a back fist. Good. Now we're going to slide that reinforced inner forearm block. Now when we do this, the back foot is the one that moves and gives us the rotation around into the inner forearm block. Now right here, we're going to make a slide backwards, and we're doing a reverse hand low block. So the hands come up, and then as we slide back, we reverse hand low block. And then we're going to do a slow spear hand with the right hand right towards the throat of our opponent. Good. Now we're going to do the same move on the other side. So we're going to pull the back leg together and we're going to stomp out in the back fist. Good. Now we're going to move the back foot, slide it in, and notice the hands go back so that we can make this rotation around into the reinforced inner forearm block. And as he does that, the back foot comes out and we're in a good front stance. Then he slides back with his reverse hand low block. Good. Okay, so now we're going to do the horizontal spear hand. Good. Now we step forward, twin punch. Now we're going to chamber it back up, and we're turning to the left, and we're going to step forward with a twin upset punch. So now we're facing the left side. We did our twin upset punch. So we're going to do back leg front kick. Then when we put it down, we're going to continue moving forward and turn into our double knife hand block. Now we step forward with a reverse punch. Good. Then we step forward with a twin upset punch. Then we do the back leg front kick. Put it down, and we rotate into a double knife hand block. Step forward punch. With a loud key up, because that is Kwang-Ge pattern. Bar. We return to heaven hands position. Kwang-Ge.